That's fast. Here at Papenburg in Germany, at the test facility, we brought the new Corvette ZR1, and we were here to test the top speed of the car.
It almost feels like home away from home for where we do this. We've had such success here. We really want to keep it going, and I think it does lend some credence to the world stage where not a lot of people know about Papenburg, and so the fact that we choose this, it does kind of make it clear that we're not fooling around with this car.
This is a real production car. We're going to make a lot of these. You're going to see them on the road, and it can achieve a speed that's well beyond most exotics out there. So for Corvette as a brand, it's super exciting. You know, we've pretty much taken another step beyond a lot of the competition.
We're developing against everyone in the world. So we really wanted to get a real understanding of what the top speed is. This is a great place to do it. It's designed to do things like this.
We've been to Papenburg before, so bringing a car that's going to absolutely crush the previous record, you know, and set a new high watermark for Corvette is pretty exciting.
The banking affords extremely high exit speeds onto these long straightaways, so that's why we come here.
You know, we just wanted to get as much as possible. We want to go as fast as we possibly can.
Car power exceeded my expectations completely. In the car, it just made power and just kept going freight train style.
Holy crap, that's fast.
I tell you, I've never obviously gone that fast, but you can't do it without confidence. And the confidence comes from all the people that are here that prepared the car, but also the engineers that engineer it. Awesome. I co-pilot. I left it in sport.
So the LT7 basically is unhinged. It delivers this power in an obscene way in how well it puts the speed down and how comfortable the car is to drive. If we squeeze out a little bit more speed, what a prideful moment for Corvette. It's been historic here for us, right? Corvette C6 ZR1, C7 ZR1, and now C8 ZR1.
Last generation ZR1 was incredible. I really thought that was a pinnacle, but we're not
Oh my God, dude, it makes so much power.
Yep.
Was it insane? Is it felt or no? Was it pretty good?
You know, we've always had some fast cars, but this is now another level of fast.
We got numbers, but some of that is
233 flat on the first run, and then 233.5.
yeah. Wow.
We had a pretty good idea what the number was going to be, and so today we proved that. It's a testament to just how strong the engineering teams are, the analysis teams, and the development engineers that can deliver on what we thought it was going to be.
The conditions were absolutely fabulous. 233 average, I think that's great. It's about 2 miles an hour faster than we did yesterday, so really proud of the team.
You know, this car really set the tone for, have the bragging rights of fastest Corvette ever.